Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both the case and earbuds. Make sure they reach at least 50% because initial syncing uses extra energy. Once done, open the case and hold the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds. Watch the LED blink. At the same time, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep the device within about 1.5 meters. This minimizes interference and speeds discovery. You're initiating a direct radio handshake, so be ready to confirm pairing on screen. You'll see Varni Airpods appear in the Bluetooth list. Tap to pair and accept any prompts. This authorizes audio and mic access. Once connected, make sure the AirPods are chosen as both output and input if you need calls. This avoids one-way audio. Then, open the companion app or device audio settings to enable active noise cancellation, transparency, or customized tap controls. These change how you interact, and that's why you tweak them now. Adjust volumes gradually to protect hearing. You finish by using the AirPods normally. Put them in the case after each session and wipe tips and charging contacts weekly to prevent connection issues. If something goes wrong, reset by placing the buds in the case and holding the pairing button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This restores factory settings. If one side loses sound, repair, check stereo balance in your device, and install any firmware updates. These steps usually resolve intermittent audio problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.